supporting the local communities.
Menteri Gatanat Kapuli Puthi Rakkam Sangma laong baka sarkar kalarai banwan rak na Kawei bat ka subject man hikai ki kena Halor ki Kyndon Jong ka 6 schedule Jong ka riti senshar ri nalor ka culture bat ki riti duster Jong ki laitli ki kinhon jat ben riau ka meglaya ulaong bahadien baladap pen bhaya ka Rakkam jing puli ka jela kan sa syai ka jing puli ka bakumno on puli hakika dan elementary upper primary bat secondary ula pentip ru basyan katanat kan sa syong panya peliu jing mut bat ka seng KHASI Author Society KAS bat ka Achik Literature Society ALS nalor ki riu syampang ha ka subject bat ki klik nong senshar halor ki jat subject badai ban puli ha ka kedan elementary primary upper primary bat secondary
in the state for the first time that every students from the state and outside the state who comes and study in Meghalaya must study about our own culture, our own language, our own food, our own dress, our own geography, our own state, our own region. Therefore, and also, every student must study about some basic law during the school and also about the 6th schedule, which is a very, very strong pillar for the tribals community.
Kijingjia Thombor Persha ki kentei bat